Have you ever wondered about the future of banking? Well, it's happening right now and it's called open banking. Traditional banking, as we know it, is undergoing a massive shift. It's moving from a closed and opaque system to an open and transparent one. Open banking is a revolutionary concept that leverages technology to make financial services more efficient, customer-centric, and inclusive. In the traditional banking model, banks hold all the cards, but with open banking, control is put back into the hands of consumers. It allows third-party developers to access financial data to build innovative applications and services. This could range from managing finances, making payments, comparing product offerings, to even applying for loans. Imagine having all your financial services from different providers consolidated in one place. That's the power of open banking. It's transforming the way we interact with our money and has the potential to reshape the entire banking industry. Now, let's dive deep into the technical aspects of open banking, API banking, and banking as a service, BaaS. In the tech-driven world of banking, three concepts stand out: open banking, API banking, and banking as a service. These are the pillars of the modern financial industry, each with its unique features, benefits, and challenges. Let's dive into the technicalities and understand their role in financial services. First up, open banking. It's a system where banks open up their data via APIs or application programming interfaces to third-party developers. This allows the creation of a range of new financial products and services. Open banking has been gaining traction in numerous countries, including India, where it's transforming traditional banking methods. But it's not without challenges, such as data security and customer trust. Next, we have API banking. It's similar to open banking, but with a broader scope. While open banking involves financial data sharing, API banking encompasses all banking operations that can be performed via APIs. This includes payments, account information services, fund transfers, and more. API banking offers greater flexibility and customization, but it also requires robust technology, infrastructure, and sound security measures. Lastly, there's banking as a service, or BaaS. It's a model where banks and other financial institutions provide their core banking systems to third-party companies. These companies, in turn, can offer banking services to their customers. BaaS offers a faster, cheaper way for companies to enter the banking sector, but it also poses regulatory and compliance challenges. Now, how are these methods being used around the world? In India, for instance, open banking is being used extensively to improve financial inclusion. API banking, on the other hand, is popular in countries like the United States, where it's driving innovations in financial services. As for BaaS, it's gaining ground in Europe, with fintech startups leveraging it to disrupt traditional banking. Each of these banking methods brings something unique to the financial table. From enabling new financial services to transforming traditional banking, they are shaping the future of finance. But how are they being used in real-world scenarios? Well, that's a story for another scene. From small startups to big corporations, open banking is transforming the way companies handle financial transactions. Let's delve into the world of open banking in action. Companies like Plaid in the United States and TrueLayer in the United Kingdom are trailblazers, creating platforms that allow businesses to connect with their customers' bank accounts securely. They're providing a foundation for innovative financial solutions, like budgeting apps and instant payment services. On the other hand, we have companies like Tink in Sweden and Yapili in Italy, revolutionizing financial data access, driving customer-centric models and boosting financial inclusion. Down under in Australia, Basic is spearheading open banking, facilitating more personalized banking experiences. And in our home country, India, companies like Setu and Finbox are unlocking the power of open banking, helping businesses provide seamless financial services to their customers. These companies are just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine what could be achieved if more businesses adopted open banking. The power of open banking is clear, but how can a company or a country adopt it? It's all about taking calculated steps. First, understand the importance and benefits of open banking. Second, assess your current banking infrastructure and identify areas that need improvement or enhancement. Third, pinpoint the right technology partner who can help make the transition smoother. Once you've laid the groundwork, it's time to build a compelling business case for open banking. highlight its potential to streamline operations, improve customer experience, and open up new revenue streams. Now, let's talk money. Companies using open banking or banking as a service, BaaS, can profit in various ways. They can charge for API access, monetize customer data, or even develop new products and services based on open banking insights. Remember, the journey to open banking is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires strategic planning, careful execution, and ongoing management. Open banking is not just a trend, it's the future of financial services. Are you ready to be part of this revolution?